During my school times, I struggled with focus and concentration. I would say most of the time I struggled staying motivated and energetic, just never interested and apathetic towards life and school in general. Every once in a while, I used to get fed up with procrastination and have this sudden burst of interest and productivity. It used to be a random burst of productivity where I would get most of my pending work done within several days or a week or two, and then I am inevitably back to square one to my normal self. So, this video is all about the method to reset your mindset to 10x your productivity. And if this is of interest to you, watch this video till the end to gain a complete understanding and derive exponential benefits.
Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Krishna, Productivity Mindset Coach and author of Master Your Time and Craft Your Success. Have you ever realized that you are on autopilot mode? Do you even know that your brain operates at two levels? Your brain operates in two modes, that is autopilot or default mode and direct mode. Research says approximately 47% of the time in a day you work in autopilot mode, that is default mode, that is when your thought patterns drift. You go through your day without even thinking or not being aware of the drama that is playing out without control inside your head. These are already encoded in your autopilot network in your brain. Primarily, these are associated with your negative and self-limiting belief system. The direct mode is when you are in the moment, you are in the present, and you control what you think and act. You choose your actions and responses. See, please take a look around you. You will notice people walking around busy with their tiny gadgets, so consumed in their social media. Most of them are addicted to entertainment on this handheld. They are actually losing out on the best hours of the day. If you want to achieve the results that only those top 5 or 10% achieve, you have to learn, think, adapt, practice and behave like those 5 or 10% of the people. So, you choose either to repeat and feel stuck or evolve to move ahead. Please make note of these 2 points. We are going to build our understanding on these points. Robin Sharma, the author of The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, says, and I quote, "We live in a world where the focus is more valuable than even your intelligence, and any addiction to distraction will be the death of your creative production." Jim Quick, the world-renowned brain coach, says the key to restart your mindset is to take a small step, one step at a time, to feel safe in the moment. He says it is impossible to feel well and perform when you feel unsafe. So, being a deliberate thinker is a skill, and doing a reset your mindset is not an event, it is a process. The secret is to know how to press that reset button and get a fresh start. Now, let's look at these 5 simple and powerful ways to untangle your mind and help you reset your mindset to 10x your productivity. Number 1. Setting a morning routine. This is the easiest method and this is the most underrated as well. This morning routine sets the tone of the day, helps to start with positive intentions. This allows you to set your personal and spiritual growth, irrespective of how busy the day will pan out. The best way to do this is to remind yourself of all the beautiful routines that assisted you to become more energetic, happier and healthier. Now see which practice excites you and ask yourself, what will I lose if I don't incorporate this into my current daily life? This will open up your mind and kickstarts the thinking process. Once you have few ideas, you can plan and ensure that fits your morning routine. Point number 2. Untangle yourself. This is also called liberating exercise. Journaling. It is scientifically proven that you will process your emotions and fears when you write down your thoughts. This paves way for all emotional release. The point to note here is deliberately sitting with these emotions in the present by journaling them. You ensure that they won't trouble you the way they would have otherwise when you suppressed them. The best way to do this is to start journaling as a routine and do it every day. If you could incorporate this in your morning routine, that would be awesome because it helps you to set the tone for the day. Point number 3. Prioritizing positive emotions. Usually all your thoughts and thinking processes are influenced by your current reality. Human emotions are divided into two: feel good or positive, and not so feel good or negative. Institute of Positive Education points out that, and I quote, good mental health includes a full range of emotions with the experience of positive overweighing the negative. The most experienced positive emotions are inspiration, hope, love, gratitude, serenity, joy, to name a few. The best way to practice this is when you are experiencing a frustration over an event. Try reframing your thought processes that align with one of the positive emotions mentioned earlier. This is deliberate thinking, the skill that you need to develop. In the beginning, this will feel like a project for you few times. But the beauty of the excellent elasticity of your brain is reset and remove patterns. Number 4. Follow WING model. This is an effective model to change. The acronym is Vision, Intention, Means. Let me explain this to you. Vision. Ask yourself, what is that I want to change? Be very specific here. Then move on to intention. Here, ask another question. When it comes to my vision, how will that change help me? After answering the above two questions, now move on to means. This involves two steps. One is plan of action. Number 2 is resources available. Here, planning need not be complicated. The more straightforward is the better. But ensure planning is realistic, measurable, and includes proven methods. Last but not the least, meditation. This is something that I keep reiterating. More scientific evidence supports meditation having a positive impact on your brain, especially neuroplastic changes in the structure and functioning of the brain region involving in regulating emotions, attention, and self-awareness. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section so that I can get back to you. If you want to connect with me and engage in a conversation, please feel free to write to me. I will be more than happy to assist you. Connect details are in the description box. See, we all know this concept. Reset or reboot can fix the problem when something is not working. Try resetting your mindset to 10x your productivity. Put your best foot forward. Practice the above steps consistently for 40 to 90 days without missing a day. Why 40 to 90 days? Various studies have shown that this is the time frame required to rewire your brain, turn any activity into habit, and put you back on autopilot. You are on autopilot now, but this time it has empowered you to be 10x productive. Try this out, and I can assure you that you will experience that inner shift to lead 10x productive lifestyle that you always wanted to. Here the theme is be together, grow together. Thank you very much for your time and for watching this video. Hopefully you have found this video interesting, informative and helpful. If you have liked this video, do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment and share it with your family and friends. Press that red bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I post new videos. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you.